Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having Ford F-150 that generation year 2015, 16, 17. If you guys have one of those, you need to find the fuse guys for the oxygen sensors. We'll explain where that fuse is located, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays, that way you don't waste your money guys, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered in this video today. Make sure to stay tuned and we'll cover very helpful information today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car that we'll get here at the garage, we'll try to make every single fuse video and show you where it's located. Why we do that? Because if you're in the middle of the road guys, in the middle of nowhere, and you need to find that fuse specifically, it will take you a shorter amount of time to just search for that video instead of looking for a manual in your glove box. And most of the times people lose their manuals. And if you don't know which fuse, let's say, to replace for ignition coils, fuel injectors, fuel pump, you may be just stuck in the middle of nowhere. So that's why we are making all these videos guys. We're constantly working here at the garage. We're taking things apart, as you can see. And if you want to check out guys, we have 3 channels that altogether have more than 1.1 million subscribers. Okay, we have all the mechanical work there. This channel that you're watching right now, we're going to list the fuse videos here, so we can save you guys time, money, and we can make it conveniently for you guys. So let's start on it now. So the oxygen sensor fuse guys, on your Ford F-150, we'll demonstrate on a 2016 model. You will have 2 fuse boxes guys, but we'll need to work on the fuse box that's located right under the hood. If you open the hood on your F-150, right behind the car battery, right there guys, let me zoom in so we can clearly see that. You will have a fuse box, that's the cover. You open that cover guys, and once you open the cover, you will see a fuse box that looks just like this one. This one will be towards the front of your F-150, this is towards the windshield. Let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So now guys, you guys see that you have different kinds of fuses, relays. Those could be really hard to find in the middle of nowhere. Small towns, you may have limited access to those, or they can be really overpriced at the parts store. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses and relays at a good price, quick shipping. You can save quite a bit. Keep some spares in the glove box for a peace of mind. The fuse that we need for the oxygen sensors will be in that guys fuse panel here. If we come in the right side, starting from the very bottom, counting fuse number 2, 1, 2. That fuse right here, it's known as fuse number 95. It's a 25 amp fuse in our case guys. That will be the fuse that you will need to check specifically. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.